Ukubongwa kwakho akukho ebantwini. Your help comes from above. Yes, kuyenzeka ukuthi uzithola kulo muntu lona ovamise ukusiza abantu whenever people are going through the worst. You just happen to be that person ohlala ubasiza to get out of the situation asukubabhekene nayo. Sometimes it seems like a trend when uzithola njalo nje kumele ulokusizana nabantu and you don't understand ukuthi why am I faced with this. Mntana sekhaya, you were chosen to be that person. You were picked for a reason ukuthi uzosiza those individuals. When you may not understand it at the time, you may not see the reason behind it, which why yenzeka, and at times, you would tend to find ourselves blaming those people and expecting ukuthi nabo bayoba usizo ngelinye ilanga empilweni zethu, kanti we forget ukuthi they may not have been the chosen ones to be of help to you. And therefore, we should not find ourselves being angry or blaming them for ukuthi ngabasiza before, why bangakwazi ukuthi ba return the favor. They were not picked to be the people that will help you. Your help comes from above. If ungumuntu ovamise ukusiza abantu, uyobone izinto zenzeka around you, unga understand now ukuthi zenzeke kanjani. Lapha uzithola ukhala khona, uzibone sewusulekile izinyembezi, uzibuza ukuthi how kwenzake kanjani ukuthi nami ngizithole sengithola nalo usizo. Mostly that help does not come from those people that you have assisted before. It will come from unexpected places, people ongazange ukucabanga ukuthi bangakusiza nawe noma they can be of help empilweni yakho, but uzithole fulfilled with whatever it is obukhala ngayo, uyithole leyo gap seyivalekile, because your help comes from above. And how it will show up when you are not aware. You are not made aware of how it's going to come. You will just see things coming together. You will just see izinto zenzeka. Ake siyekeni-ke ukuzivalela izindlela ngokuthi sihlezi sikhala ngalabe sabasiza before, and then uyitshela ukuthi ngoba umuntu akakusizanga uyobona naye ngelinye ilanga yazi izinto zakhe ngeke zihambe ngendlela. Awukwazi ukuthi ube ngumuntu ovala izinto zomuntu omsizile ukuthi aphumelele in the first place.